Hey, it's Yolanda at Dryer Buzz, and of course, Dryer Buzz East. Listen, y'all, there's only one thing irritating me about this video is that when I did this dry rub, I forgot to put the garlic on with it. So you'll see me come back with that later. But loving this seasoning. It's your brown sugar bourbon by McCormick, and I just wanted to do. Actually, my daughter requested a nice chuck roast, of which we made sandwiches. That big hunk of beautiful meat we made sandwiches. Yes. All right, because it was a midweek roast. A midweek roast. Just use what was left in the fridge, some onions and some mushrooms there. I put some oil in the pan, of course, season that off. I'm trying to become the expert at this. I added some rosemary and some thyme. And then, of course, I just seared off my roast there in the chef pan. I'll try and put a link for that as well. And look, there it is, the garlic. I'm haunted by that garlic. Just seared it off on both sides, and then as you see, I had my roaster pan sitting right there, ready to go. See, I was prepared for this video, okay? And then into the pan went the mushrooms and onions. Yes, I should have put the onions in. I should have followed with the mushrooms, but I was trying to make a quick video and trying to get dinner on at the same time, so that we can have, as my daughter requested, sandwiches, roast beef sandwiches. And I mean, they're good. I just finished one, and let me tell you, it was good. I didn't do the celery with this one, and you'll see the end result. It ended up creating an entirely different roast. Also, I didn't hit it off with the white wine. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I put some ginger ale, okay? Because I'm like, I have to have some, I don't know. Let me tell y'all, I did not want to put water on this. I didn't want to base the roast in water. But sauteing the mushrooms, the onions, the seasoning, the brown sugar bourbon, the rosemary, and the thyme. And all I did was I just added some ginger ale to that because I didn't have any broth and I didn't have any wine. Of course, we need to go grocery shopping, and it's got a busy week, but there is the results. Let me tell you, nice and tender, yes again. And we made some amazing sandwiches. We just wanted to have something that we can kind of eat off of as we go about our day. Make sure you follow and subscribe, like and subscribe, please. I'm Yolanda at Dryer Buzz.